Hi guys, it's Simon at Kairos Capital Markets with the daily direction prediction for the 23rd of May. I have one pair on my watch list today which I think is quite nice, and it is Aussie Swiss long, and we'll break it down bit by bit. So quite literally we've got a nice weekly deceleration here at this in this zone between 725 and 728. Notice since the depegging, this zone has been active, got nice support and resistance all the way through. Taken many trades off it and taken quite a lot of, and taken limits off it as well at the same time. The formation itself is decelerating, put a couple of low tests in, and now it's popped to the upside, which is quite nice, which I'm looking here. And now let's go to the intraday and I'll show you what I'm looking for here. So yeah, go to the 1 hour. We've got 4 hour MACD divergence here already, which is quite nice to see. We've got this downward sloping descending trend line here with a much lower one here, forming a much larger wedge. And if you pop to the 1 hour chart, the wedge is a bit more clearer there as well. And all I'm waiting for now for my entry is one of two things: either a break to the upside and a close above this blue trend line, or another retest off this 1 hour 50, just so you've got some nice tweezers or something along those lines. Notice we've got the pivot, we've got the 382 Fibonacci as well there. And what I'm looking for roughly, if I get in, say, if we get there, for example, stop below S1 there, 32 pips. And if we can get out at, say, 995 there, it's a nice little 4% trade there. It may be a little bit less depending if we've got to raise the entry. If we have to enter there, for example, here, obviously then the trade goes down to 3% roughly. Bear in mind, so we'll drag that down there. So either way, we've got a nice potential there for a bit of profit. It could go higher, by all means. It could go as high as the highs here for the moment, maybe to the 743, 744, but this zone here on the daily is a little bit like the one we're trading off at the moment. You've got to trade through that zone, which isn't the best idea in all fairness, but it depends what your risk appetite's all about. Okay guys, hope you have a good weekend and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.